In this video, we will go over the installation of the Safety Devices NAS or North American Standard style roll cage and Exmoor Drip Rails. The first thing that needs to be done is the seat belts need to be removed from their current location behind the seats. Next, place the floor bracket in place and mark the holes that need to be drilled out. Now the hoop support can be installed. We suggest grinding the paint off the top and bottom of the hoop support as well as the floor bracket, as this will make installing these two pieces much easier. Then install the main hoop, which also requires drilling a couple holes. Be sure to leave the 4 bolts that hold the main hoop loose, because it will make it easier in the next step to begin putting in the drip rail. Start with the vertical pieces next to the door first. Exmoor sends all nylocks for this, but if you purchase a couple of regular nuts and lock washers, it will make these install a lot easier, as well as make adjusting for the door easier. Next, fit the rail in that goes over the windshield. Last, for the drip rails, install the 2 pieces horizontally over the doors. You may need to loosen the bolts that hold the windshield frame in place to give yourself a little play to get these pieces in. Now you are ready to proceed with the rest of the roll cage. Install the rear hoop, which again requires drilling a couple holes. Then install the spreader bars between the front hoop and the rear hoop. Ready to install the spreader that goes between those 2 pieces. Last, install the 2 45-degree supports, which again requires drilling a couple holes. Be sure to reinstall your seat belts. The last piece of the puzzle is to put the plastic caps over the bolt heads so that you don't tear your soft top when you install. We suggest that through this entire process, you leave all of the bolts loose. Then, once all pieces are fitted for the cage and the drip rails, go back, start with the drip rails, and tighten everything up. One last note. If your Defender came with a hard top, you will need to procure a tailgate and the proper weather stripping to finish everything off.